So you decided you want an FPV. You've been watching FPV Vegan Gorilla Whoop all through New York City. Tons of reviews by Joshua Bartwell, Drone Champs, Captain Drone. You're hyped. You're ready. You want to send it through the trees tomorrow. Well, this video is for you. And I'm about to save you some money, frustration, a few broken drones, broken pockets, sleeping on the couch, and possibly a divorce. What's up? I'm Corey with Airbender FPV, and today, guys, I'm going to show you the best way to start FPV. Before you buy goggles, before you buy batteries, before you buy that 5-inch freestyle monster, start on a simulator. Not because it's glamorous, not because it's exciting, but because it works. Some of the most popular sims right now are DRL Simulator, Liftoff, Velocidrone, and Uncrashed. I personally learned a lot on DRL as well as Liftoff micro drones, but once I understood what I was doing, I think I may have learned more on Firehawk FPV, and maybe it's just because of the fun factor. But once it clicks, it clicks. It becomes instinct. You don't need to drop $200 on a radio to start. You can grab the LiteRadio 2 SE simulator controller by BetaFPV. It plugs straight into your computer via USB. No binding, no receivers, no drummer. If you want it fast, I did put a link below to Amazon, but it will cost you a little bit more than if you went to BetaFPV and bought it there. Now the shipping is going to be a little bit slower, but really cost effective. Pair it with a sim on Steam, usually about $10 to $20, depending on which one you get. And you can start FPV correctly for around $30 to $40 total. That's cheaper than one broken arm. That's the arm in a drone. Now let's be real. The sim could get boring. It really got boring for me. There's no wind, no adrenaline, no broken canopy, no grass in your motors. And that's why a lot of people quit too early. But check this out, guys. Look at the comment that was left. It took me over 200 hours on 5 sims at the age of 70. And guys, this reminds me of what Confucius said. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Learning FPV is not about speed. It's about consistency. Stay in your chair, stay on the sticks, stay in the process, and it'll happen. Just like the comment said, acro will happen and FPV will be exciting again. You just have to stay in the chair long enough. So here's what normally happens. You buy a drone, once you figure out beta flight, you arm it, panic, you over throttle, disarm too late, then you think, maybe LPV isn't for me. It's not that LPV isn't for you. You just skipped really important training. If I were you and I was starting LPV, I would buy a simulator, buy a cheap USB sim controller, fly 20 to 30 hours minimum, then buy my first real drone. Even if it feels boring, even if you feel stuck, even if you feel dumb, stay with it. Because when it clicks, it feels like you unlocked a superpower. To make this even easier for you, I created a free beginner PDF guide. It walks you through why you should start on a sim, budget setup that I just mentioned, the exact mindset that you need, and the path of what I recommend. I linked it below. Download it, save it, follow it. Future you will thank yourself. Pockets will rejoice. FPV is not easy, but that's what makes it addictive. If you're serious about learning how to bend the wind, start with the sim. Trust the process, and I'll see you in there.